Um, I'm Rachel with TheLaterGatorBus, and we haven't done many videos, but I wanted to set up a video of us talking about this cleaner that my friend Kayla sent over to us. She has this site, it's on Amway, an Amway site, and she sells these cleaners, and they're multi-surface cleaners, and they are great around kids, and they're very family friendly. And we try to use only kid-friendly cleaners because we have 4 and a 6-year-old, and you never know what kids are going to get into and what they're going to put in their mouth. And so when we're cleaning everything, because they make messes like crazy, we need to have a good multi-purpose cleaner that actually works. We don't want just some essential oils and water. We want an actual cleaning astringent that will work. And what my friend Kayla sent over, she sent over this great multi-purpose cleaner. And so it comes in this concentrate, and then you also get this spray bottle too. And it shows you how much you're supposed to put in. It's got a little chart right here of 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, and 9 to 1. So I filled it up all the way, and I did 1 part of the cleaning concentration to 9 parts water. And this water bottle is really good because it's got, not only does it have the little nozzle to turn it on and off, but it also has a clip on the end to make sure that, you know, the kids can't get into it even if you left it out on the counter, and they can't just squeeze the bottle. There's that one extra step. And it smells really good too. So this morning we left really early for church, and we kind of left our kitchen in a mess. So we use this island for everything. You know, just kids doing snacks, kids doing breakfast, lunch, dinner, you name it. And this is our transition house until our bus is ready. And once the LaterGatorBus is ready for us to move in, then we will be using this on all of our bus services because the kids will be everywhere. And it's a much tinier space. But for right now, we've been using this multi-purpose cleaner, and it's worked great. So there's all sorts of stuff on this table, and I cleaned half of it already because I wasn't sure we were going to do this video. But over here, we've still got some ketchup stains from this morning, and some scrambled eggs on the table, some milk, and some Kool-Aid. And I wanted to show you guys how wonderful this cleans. So I filled up our spray bottle to make sure it was ready to go. And we've been using this thing for the past couple weeks now, and it is great. I would say this is way better than the one that we had been using. One kind of like, it was pretty much just essential oils and water as far as I'm concerned. And it smelled good. It smelled like lemongrass, I guess, but it wasn't really my favorite. And you had to use half a bottle, it seemed, to clean up any of the messes, especially hard, stuck-on food. You know, like, I mean, we did it this morning. So we ate breakfast in a hurry, and then we ran off to church, and we kind of left everything as is, you know. So all of our kids' food was still on the table, and it gets hard, it gets crusted on, you know, caked on. I've got 2 boys. The messes they make with things like slime or pasta sauce, pizza, you know, jelly. Jelly is everywhere. If you have kids, you probably know about grape jelly or strawberry jelly, and it gets on door handles, you know, walls, everything, you name it, tables, bowls, cups, and it's everywhere. It's super sticky, and it's hard to get off, especially if you're just using water and essential oils. So we recently have changed to Amway's home cleaner. It's a multi-surface cleaner, and you can use it for your floors. You can, you know, fill up a bucket and use it with your mop. You can do hand washing for spot items, and it shows you the ratio you need to use on the bottle, and it's very user-friendly. So if you're like me, you need a lot of reminding because you get, you know, all over the place with the kids. So, but this is great, and it's got the measurements right on the bottle too. But I'm just going to show you how well it cleans because I love it, and if I love it, you might love it. So, very user-friendly. It's super easy and light to squeeze, and it works like a charm. Get my phone wet. It smells so good. And we recently started doing bath bombs, and we made our bath bombs right here on this island too. So there were little green, soap dyes, and because we wanted to use that gator green in our bath bombs, and glitter, you name it. We've used everything. That mica powder, that can really get all over the place. But this stuff works great, and it smells amazing, and it gets up all those hard, crusted on, foods and stains, and we just love it. And my friend Kayla sells it on her Amway website. So I'll put that link down below, and make sure you guys give it a try. Thank you.